Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to play Minecraft in browser. Start by opening your Google Chrome tab and search in Minecraft in browser. Go to the second option called Eagle R Craft, click it. And you can see the Play Now button, click it. Click on Play. Switch to WSM. As you can see, the Minecraft has been successfully opened and you can play it in the Chrome browser without downloading the whole applications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Just Tag tutorial video.